Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations with a question for three groups of people that are involved with the Appalachian Trail. The people that haven't gone yet, making announcement videos to go, most of the people that are currently on the trail now, and the people who have already finished this. Now, I've sat and tried to figure this out, and for the life of me, I don't understand it, and this revolves around a tent. I notice a lot of people go through a lot of work when they're trying to get their tent. They ask people for advice, what tent they should get. They go through a couple different ones, changing them out, doing shakedown hikes, paying a lot of money for their tents, making sure it's the right weight, can they carry it, things like that. And then after all of that, you get out on the trail and then wind up slack packing for a good portion of the trail, which is them not even carrying their tent. And then pretty much for the entire trip, you're staying inside hostels and hotels. So my question when it comes down to after you did all that work for the tent, got the research, the weights, can you carry it and everything else, and then you bring it out on the trail? My question is,
what's the point? What's the fucking point? In any case, I gotta argue with you.